Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the masking option in Adobe Lightroom. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to import an image. So what we have to do, we have to go to the library section, and after going to library section, we have to click on the import. And after clicking on the import, we have to choose the image, that which image you want to use. For example, I'm going to the video section, and after that, we have to choose that which image you want to use. For example, if you want to use this one, you can also do that. For example, if you have any kind of other pictures, you can also use that. As you can see now, these all are provided here. I'm going to make this folder again. So let's click on this. So I'm going to check all, and after that I'm going to select this one only, and let's click on the import, and the image will be imported here. Now simply what we have to do, we have to go to the develop section, and after going to the develop section, as you can see, has the masking option. So we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, some other options are provided here. So for example, I'm going to use the brush one. So let's click on the brush, and after clicking on the brush, as you can see, some brushes options are provided here, like the size, feather and flow, and the density is also provided here. If you want to make changes in them, you can also do that. And after doing these, as you can see, now you have to apply the masking and where you want to apply the mask. For example, I want to apply the mask here. As you can see, now it's done. Now if you want to undo the mask, you can also do that. You have to press the Ctrl Z, and now you have to choose that what you want to do. For example, if you want to increase this, like it will be increased in that section, in the mask section. If you want to increase this, as you can see, it will be increased where you have applied the mask. So in this way, you can apply the mask and use it in Adobe Lightroom. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.